This is our huge capacity A4 complexity and the packaging production line includes packing, boxing, and stacking. 4 rows or 5 rows. The paper oven stand is it has automatic tension control system. The principle is to measure the paper roll diameter through the electrical eye. The paper position will be detected by the photoelectric sensors. This is the pneumatic stacking knife. It's easy to adjust. If you need to cut A3 size, you can lift up the second and the fourth line. Close cutting knife. It adopts the most advanced Synchronize sheeting technology. If you need to cut the lighter size, we can customize the first half for you. This is the transport unit, equipped with the static remove equipment. When the paper reaches to 500 sheets, and then it will be transported to the next part. This is our A4 paper ream wrapping machine. Why don't you use paper roll? Because if you use paper roll, it can pack faster and it can save wrapping paper cost. Compared to other A4 paper packing machine, our A4 paper packing machine is more stable and durable. Does it can pack A3 size? No. Because A3 and the A4 size have two differences. If you have many A3 size order, you can add an A3 size packing machine. Does the A4 paper cutting machine can pack lighter size? Yes. If you need, we can customize for you. This is our box packing machine. It can pack 5, 8, or 10 reams in one box. You can see it adopts the top and the bottom cover for box packaging. The box is glued together with hot nail glue. After box packing, then strapping. And then it's a double stacking. It's easy to operate and will save lots of labor.